Welcome back to Unexpectedly Human. As promised, this is my small Floret seed haul. I'm going to share each seed with you, my opinion or thoughts about it, and why I'm growing it this year. The first one is the Texas Plume Summer Sherbet Mix Celosia. I grow celosia every year. There's many different forms. There are some that are referred to as kind of the brain form or the coxcomb. I really prefer the plume shape, and I am trying this summer sherbet mix to get a larger variety of colors as well as some brighter colors in my garden. The next seed is the Tower Camois Apricot China Aster. Asters are really beautiful, really full looking flowers. I'm really into the apricot and the coral colors, so I thought I would give this seed a try this year. Third is Linaria. This is the Northern Lights mix. This is kind of a delicate, almost filler type of flower. I haven't grown this in the past, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it does in our zone. The next three are actually all stock. I have Buttercream, Malmaison Pink, and again the Apricot. I have not grown stock before. I'm not sure how it will grow in this zone. I know that there's some conflicting opinions on pinching stock, whether you should, whether you shouldn't. I'm going to try it this year. I don't think that I'm going to pinch it and see how it grows within my other flowers. So we'll see how that grows in the border. I talked about these in one of my seed a day videos the other day. These are the two Pro Cut sunflowers that I'm trying for the first time, White Knight and Pro Cut Red. I haven't tried Pro Cut sunflowers before. Pro Cuts, they deliver one bloom, and that bloom is essentially pollenless or very, very low pollen. So this is really good for people with allergies, really great for bouquets as it doesn't make a mess once it's on the table. So this is my first time trying this, and I'll take you along this spring and summer when I direct sow these. And the final seed that I purchased this year from Floret Farms is the Black-Eyed Susan, or also known as the Cherry Brandy Rudbeckia. I have tried to start Rudbeckia in the past. I have gotten seedlings, but for some reason it has not been successful out in the garden. I'm going to plant it in a few different areas of my garden this year and see if it takes off. This is a really beautiful reddish petaled Rudbeckia with a chocolate center, and I really, really want this to work. So I'm going to give it some different spaces in the garden to see if maybe it reacts differently to different light or soil situations. That was my total haul from Floret. If you're not familiar with Floret, even if you decide not to purchase the seeds, I highly recommend you look at the Floret books. You can check them out from most local libraries, and the information in them about growing flowers is extensive and invaluable, but even if you just are interested in looking at the pictures, the photography is gorgeous. I hope everybody is having a great weekend, and I will be bringing you more seed a day videos as well as other content as we go along.